Hello everyone. Now today we will discuss questions based on complexometric titrations. First, by blank valency, metal forms complex with ligand. Primary, secondary, tertiary or quaternary. The correct option is by the secondary valency, metal forms complex with a ligand. Second question, in complex compound, which type of bond is formed between a ligand and metal? Ionic, metallic, covalent coordination, or van der Waals? The correct answer is covalent coordination bond. Third question, which of the following is used to prepare standard solution of EDTA to carry out the EDTA titration? Pure EDTA fine powder, disodium salt of EDTA, tetrasodium salt of EDTA, or any of these can be used. So we use generally disodium salt of EDTA for the preparation of a solution EDTA to carry out the complexometric titration. Next question. Accurate and sharp endpoint can be obtained in complexometric titration if stability constant of a complex is high, low, moderate, or zero. So it should be high so that a sharp and accurate endpoint can be obtained. Next question. Zinc EDTA and magnesium EDTA titration is a blank type of titration, direct, indirect, back or replacement. The correct option is direct titration. Next, a ligand may be a neutral molecule, negative ion, Lewis base or all of these. So a ligand may be all of these. Next question. According to stability, metal EDTA complexes are mostly unstable, least stable, most stable, or the stability depends on pH. Correct option is the stability depends on pH. Cobalt aluminium ions can be titrated with EDTA through blank method, direct titration, back titration, alkalimetry titration, or replacement titration. So these ions, cobalt and aluminium, are titrated by back titration method. Next question. Substitution complexometric titrations may be used for metal ions when the metal ions do not react or react unsatisfactorily with a metal indicator. Metal ions form more stable complexes with EDTA compared to that of magnesium and calcium. A and B both or metal ion forms very less stable complexes with EDTA. So correct option it is A and B both are correct. Next question. Metal plus 2 ion plus magnesium with disodium salt of EDTA giving MyN minus 2 plus Mg plus 2. This shows a schematic presentation of which type of complexometric titration, direct, indirect, back or replacement. So it is a type of replacement titration wherein the magnesium with disodium salt of EDTA gets replaced by the metal ion we have taken. Next question. In the analysis of the mixture containing lead and zinc ions with EDTA, which ion will be masked by adding KCN masking agent? So masking agent KCN masks which of the following ions? Lead, zinc, both A and B or none? The correct option is zinc is masked by KCN. Molecular formula of EBT, that is a metal ion indicator iriochrome black tea, is C20H13O7N3S, B option C8H4O6N5, or C or D. So the correct option is C20H13O7N3S. A is the correct option. In muroxide, maximum how many H plus ions can be ionized? So muroxide is a type of H4IN. 4 imido groups are present. So the correct option is 4. Primary valency denotes the blank of a coordination complex. Oxidation number, coordination number, chelate structure or cyclic structure. Primary valency is it denotes the oxidation number. Chelate compounds always exhibits ring structure, linear structure, unsaturation or open chain. The correct option is it. represents the ring structure. Zinc EDTA complex is more stable in the pH range of 0 to 2, 1 to 2, 8 to 10 or 10 to 12. The correct option is 8 to 10. In which type of complexometric titration excess of standard EDTA solution is added with unknown metal ion solution before performing the titration against standard solution of magnesium sulfate or zinc sulfate? Direct titration, back titration, replacement titration, or D, indirect titration? The correct option is back titration. Cn minus cyanide ions forms a stable complex with the options given: CuCdHg, cobalt, nickel, zinc, both A and B are correct, or D, beryllium and magnesium. The correct option is both A and B ions can be masked. That means the cyanide ion, it forms a stable complex with all these 6 ions. Which of the following is used as demasking agent in complexometric titration? Cyanide Cn minus HCl EDTA or mixture of acetic acid and formaldehyde? The correct option is D, mixture of acetic acid and formaldehyde. Muroxide behaves as blank indicator: positive ion, negative ion, neutral, or none. The correct option is it behaves as a negative ion indicator. For back titration of metal ion, excess EDTA is titrated against CaCl2, NaCl, AgNO3, or zinc sulfate. Correct option is zinc sulfate. Which indicator is used to estimate calcium in presence of magnesium ion? Chalcone, EBT, Muroxide, or Solochrome black tea? Correct option is chalcone. Which rules are used for EDTA titration? Colroche, Debye, Welchers, or Gibbs-Duham? Welchers rule are used. Which of the following is used to prepare standard EDTA solution for EDTA titration? H4Y, NaH3Y, Na2H2Y, Na4Y. That is, C is the correct option, Na2H2Y, disodium salt of EDTA. Silver, gold, and sulfate ions can be titrated with EDTA through blank method: direct titration, back titration, replacement titration, or miscellaneous titration. So the correct option is miscellaneous titration. These all ions can be titrated. Which of the following represents the expression or PM of metal ion solution? A, minus log of 1 upon metal ion concentration, B, log 1 upon metal ion concentration, C, log concentration of metal ion, or all of these? The correct option is B, log of 1 upon metal ion concentration, because PM is similar to as like pH, so it is minus log of M plus, so it can be represented as log 1 upon metal ion concentration. Next question: to prepare standard solution of 0.01 molar of EDTA, how many grams of EDTA is to be dissolved in 1 liter solution? Molecular weight given is 372.25 grams per mole. So as we had calculated, we know that the correct option is 3.7225 grams of EDTA is to be dissolved in 1 liter solution to get 0.01 molar concentration solution. Which of the following indicator is used in complexometric titration? It is neutralization indicator, adsorption indicator, metal ion indicator, or redox indicator. So the correct option is C, metal ion indicator. Muroxide gives blank color above the pH 11. So we had discussed this in the detailed discussion for the metal ion indicators type with its ionization and color change based on the pH. So whether it gives red, orange, blue, violet, or red, orange. So it gives C, blue, violet color above pH 11. EBT gives blank color between the pH range of 7.3 to 10.5. Black red, red blue, blue, or red orange. The correct option is blue. Thank you. Happy learning.